and saves money that would have been spent on several other kitchen appliances to chop, dice, grind, whip and knead. The only thing better than pureeing and pulverizing your favorite mixtures and concoctions is doing it in serene surroundings. Considering some of the tough ingredients we blend and the motor power involved, the noise generated by the whipping, crushing and grinding process can be rather grating. Fortunately, sound dampening technology has availed the best quiet blender that will not disrupt your sleep, conversations or peace of mind. In this video, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best quiet blenders on the market. So let's get started. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Professional Blender. This is the blender to go for if you are looking for a powerful, quiet and affordable option. The pitcher is made of plastic while the blades, which rotate at 150 miles per hour, are made of stainless steel. It features a pulse capability that prevents overprocessing and a variable speed dial that you can use to control the speed and select any of the 4 built-in settings for a perfect consistency, which include puree, smoothie, clean and ice crush, making it a great blender for protein shakes, fraps, and sauces. The shatterproof jar has a capacity of 32 ounces. Once the timer is up, the blender automatically stops, which means you don't have to monitor the blending process. It has a powerful motor that operates at 1,500 watts and an optimal horsepower rating of 2.0. The noise is greatly reduced by the motor, which allows optimal conditions for air to flow efficiently, and the removable shield that can also be used as a serving pitcher. The rubber components muffle the sound as well. The clean setting allows the jar to clean itself, while its cooling system prevents overheating when blending mixtures. You can also clean its BPA-free jar and other parts safely in the dishwasher. The tamper comes in handy when blending tough or frozen ingredients. Its limited warranty of 5 years is an attractive incentive that will ensure you are covered for a considerable period. Number 4. CRANDDI K90B. This model is a great way to have the powerful features and functionality of a commercial blender in your home. The blender features 15 variable speed controls and a pulse button that increases the speed of the blending power. You can adjust the speed using the color-coded dial. The jar can accommodate 80 ounces with measurements up to 36 ounces. The stainless steel blade, which is 80% thicker than other blades and 10 times stronger, pulverizes tough mixtures. The blunt design also makes it safer to clean. The sealed sound enclosure, advanced airflow technology, and innovative sound dampening mechanism make this model one of the quietest in the industry. The jar's narrow bottom side and its extra-wide base eliminate the need for a plunger and maximize blending speed and consistency by sucking ingredients into the fast-spinning blade. It is also equipped with a vented lid that prevents spillage. The model is equipped with a travel bottle so you can take your smoothie with you wherever you go. This blender is ideal for blending, mixing, pureeing, grinding and even making dough. Number 3. Hamilton Beach HBH850. This model is equipped with smart technology, so even if you're a barista, it allows you to tend to customers without keeping an eye on the blending process. It integrates dual motor cooling fans and an automatic shutdown mechanism to prevent damage once the timer is up. The motor, with a horsepower rating of 3, has all-metal drive coupling to meet the demands of a busy outlet. The voluminous pitcher has a capacity of 64 ounces. With more than 100 preset cycles, you can cut down on constantly changing the settings for different recipes. The ingredients are turned down towards the blades by a wave action for thorough blending. The Quiet Shield sound enclosure confines the sound to reduce noise. The Auto Blend single touch sensor adjusts the power and speed according to the ingredients to achieve optimal results. The cavitation sensor prompts you to add more liquid when necessary. The jar pad sensor switches off the motor if the blender has been assembled incorrectly. The user interface with touchscreen controls can be cleaned easily. The USB port facilitates future download of program updates. To add ingredients while blending, remove the cap at the top. Number 2. Vitamix Blending Station Advance. Commercial blenders should be able to handle a large volume of orders, and this model is well equipped to handle several requests for milkshakes, smoothies, juices, and iced drinks. It operates at 1800 watts and is rated at 3 peak horsepower, an equivalent of 34 amperes of power. The 6 beverage buttons, 93 speed variables and 34 built-in cycle programs provide you with several options to blend the right consistency for your menu recipes. The variable pulse allows you to tailor the mixtures. You can access the control settings through a user-friendly touchscreen interface. The pitcher, which has a built-in no drip spout, has a capacity of 48 ounces. It widens at the base to reduce cavitation. You can add ingredients to the blender through the cap on the lid while the blender is still running. The removable cover and heavy insulation dampen the noise. The cover can also be easily reassembled and cleaned. Its automatic switch-off mechanism frees you up to multitask. The polycarbonate material is NSF certified and UL listed for safety compliance. It is also RoHS and CE certified 6,001,257. Number 1. BlendTec Pro 800 with WildSide Jar. Why choose a powerhouse blender over a quiet one when you can have both? This BlendTec model offers you both privileges with a rating of 3.8 peak horsepower operating at 1800 watts, a sound enclosure and advanced airflow technology. The plastic removable sound enclosure hood is sealed to minimize sound by up to 10 decibels. It features a pulse key, 11 speed options and 6 settings: smoothies, batters, whole juice, mixed drinks, pulse, frozen treats, and hot soup. You can toggle between automatic and manual speed by pressing the key under the on/off button. The illuminated interactive touchscreen displays the remaining time and cycle information. The WildSide Jar has a capacity of 36 ounces and features blunt blades that can puree almost anything you wish. What's more, you have a 10-year warranty covering parts, shipping and labor. The package includes a blending guide and several recipes. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.